Adom TV so Adom TV so dwonjuma dio senda we kan sim sempan sakena no pen so ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesim kunyana me kono kwanten kode sima do sakena no pen so biom e wo Ghana agudim eja so so mam se Richoko makacho de da se Richoko no obetimi din so nwa abo obetimi din so share so etiansa abo na say 2 in 1 but hwemu dia na se Richoko milk ewum na afi so vanilla wum flavoring enso wum na afi so cream sa wum sugar enso wum altimi sampa we mo bon best 7 in 1 kranti modern da setimi ka ketwa no anasa dantem na nasa obode na abusua betia sa no ma che na dia kwadwuma so start your day right with Richoko in a Ghanaian way betia boa amaniama etiantutu yi e dia ma we mo any sponsors omo tachira boa e medicine share so creative seja mrefi eye game park games also the share so creative sa but the eagerly anticipated pick one game no about with the bank bo modern da so do be betia sa gym uchu so favorite number no from 1 to 36 now wetin say choose why you ready for the excitement betia boa e ma osika sem so etiantu betia 1 Ghana cedis anko pembese 350 Ghana cedis ubetia win 26 times to stake no with a game pick one no na boa emaniama etian kwedi ma dial *946# all networks na FIFA hutwe sanjim ubetia ko www.gameparkgames.com na for nim phone so etian sedins so ho na draw no eba so e anopa 9 am na afin so kwa wi akataban so 12 noon na afin so kwa 6 pm daily Monday to Sunday ana sadro etian saba so e wa Adom TV so intimisere e na wa no so dem game park games or some more mula more power woman attach aboa ema edison so kwetwen sadro national lottery authority for paying for tachiri ama uni mu firi nwotwe a e mfa ho anyim izan se chachadiwa wani ebetin prunsu we mu ene hyehyɛ so kukra ye de bre na no pɛmo ho sene nema esieko yenkumu entempa so won semnu dia na yeko eye Argentine eye player ne din ene Lionel Messi enura Ballon d'Or etiensa ba so France for share so atim sampa nkane wo France nanu agina so de den panya sam ketwa kra esan se Lionel Messi ena afin so Inter Miami forward ena ene wo mo ede saba sport de kese de etiensa man 36 years old ana wetiensa di ceremony national na enika enhwe se na Messi eje Ballon d'Or wetimi agene dodo sa na nika sem kese petwense piemu na one abrante efense Erling Haaland Manchester City for abrante a ono onwemo janam na so ntwa kuma nkwa na owe no ana one ne president hye esi course but Messi kire ne bobre e wosa dwumedi twense piema o ka kire mabunu ene nkofo ebobo wiase afana nyina so bia yire ne ho a obetumi adu sampempen so ne ti enra omo etabri Ballon d'Or no de ekopie mu ewo United States of America nyame adoma bebo US nso nkomo kakra esan se nra hwesena hye esi course a ne se eni kapa ewo sena dwumedi no esi course ne se uhwe US for me no a omso akran stage a omso ebeboa emaniama etia koye na ultimate sampa nyama etia tutoye but em fa ni kire mu Spanish La Liga enra match ne ba ko etia sa kan sensemu penfo yi fi honum na La Liga ni Granada transfer Villarreal ebitwa mo kapolo miensa Queens of Ghana Mackenzie ne eba so 3 pepepe e wa class sports de bia obia no na akwata manachi e was Akins kese between sa to joinim yentwi eti emfa nkire mu e wo the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana former player Emmanuel Ajimanbedu nikanika ana manabo ne samane efe no we Berlin for Division 2 omo former player no sekwa ana branti efi wode nkomo hakreti aja na small Kenyan say the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana African Cup of Nations Akins kese betia baso e wo La Côte d'Ivoire no ojile passe Egypt Mozambique ved no ohwe a asa emu emre kakra nanso ade emu edene intimrante no ehweni
I'm very optimistic this time we will pass through the group. People are talking about Egypt. Well, when I'm playing with teams like Egypt, I know them. Finding their data is always not too difficult to get them. I'm not afraid of that kind of team because Salah, everybody knows how he plays. They are well experienced. They have won the cup for 7 times, and every 2 years or a year they qualify for the tournament. So these kind of teams, we know how they are. Searching for data for teams like Mozambique, who their players maybe are trying to play for second division in Europe, they play for the local clubs, it's always difficult for us. So these are the 2 kind of countries we need to be worried about. But I'm very happy that things are happening early before the tournament, at least so that we can wake up.
Inti Emmanuel Ajimanbedu, formerly Berlin Football Club, Omo, ewo eye don aha for share so ho na usina kan besia kama brekumas na sana bebo under 20 asana kwan bi ma na odi kopium edinis na awbobo ha eni waba ho megim anode ne nkomo eja e de afa the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana African Cup of Nations eda omanim no yenkom Dr. Prosper Neteogum kodoko head coach ono so she ohwese na nema esie koso ananoda 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League akenzi kesia omo 18 times no o chese nkomo bi ha enheda anya nanika.
Myself and the players, we are all not happy because if you look at it, it means that we've given half of the points away, which shouldn't have been. If you look at the games we have played and the creativity we've shown in front of goal, we shouldn't be having, as I said earlier on, it's a learning curve. Looking at the remaining matches left for the first round, I think we need to ensure that win all these games and make sure that at the end of the first round we should be at the top there. Kotoko is known to be the best, and we must always prove that we are the best.
Dr. Prosper Neteogum, Kotoko for head coach and for double as IMC member and our tenant council didn't come age as say or have be my boy do or find DK more with Sampa on performance no and shada and swenny to best say near bit and 2 years their mom. Tomo to 12 nyama na dan ko biamanfo bi home kwanso koso na mo medical bon komo da already so say second coming of coaches no hwese na ma ese koso a e na mpimpi no enya dia etimi akuye de mom Italian coach ba ko pe na for 80 years ni oba for the very second and third time no otimi eche ne bobre mo makai na omoba omudi nufem e wo se na ma ese kono has full coach e friend say e Martin Oscopman ono so de ne komo etense eja e wo omo league nim da 16th position was just 6 points enya ni kakra.
Think we are close to it. We work very hard on it to finishing in the week, and now it's coming a little bit more in the game. So the fighting spirit is there. The way of we play is okay. Now we have to score, and it's coming for sure. A lot of players are coming back from injury, so I can choose for a lot of players.
Inti Martin Oscopman has a full coach. Ono so ne koma wodi eja no has a full kuhima mu about 6 games almost just 6 points. They say as a game be am say omunya just 1 point e wa kensi no on the 16th position 18 clubs na ebo inti na say one either 2 places down e was na nema ese koso nya dika kra na ono so ewia ho no na yekoma na say chief edema awutu bodwase na kwaku Osadu the second or then come kakra ja DF4 say omo MP attention to grassroots football and obetia sambo magana gudie no asan fa ne tamapa efra
ohina no wo bojuase ewo utu sinya West District nine kwaku sadu yotoso miensa ena eka na adwene de akere Ghana Football Association say local players yom wo nkrankitu mu no eya no mo nto mo ni fancy wo mo so nhwe mo yi pa kopem say dodo na wo a omo ni bo ne bo eya nso eya na ni nhwe wo se foreign players no e de ani hwe wo mo pa na so kame a say nya bebre na eno makan no wakoni mu ntia na no bojuase inter community league association omo tournament omo de kwawie no 32 teams omo de omo hu hye mu nyina mrante bo omo modene a empenifo de omo kwaji mu kwotena ase kwhwe bi bojuase young stars in a winning cup ya omo hye ABJ heroes e kai 9 yo omo timu miensa on penalties no ru ane dia de Eugene Ahin director of communications our presidency ono so dwumade yasene a bibia baso
omo kwa abrochire mu figa na nsa na omo kwa abrochire nti ya nkasa de yadua wa ha na yengugu sunsuo yie na aso abapa ama mo so anya better players wa ha na mo jai sa de bia abrochire for de bia abrochire for
na nkane member of parliament de ma Utu West ura Janda nso kopie dwumade yase a astrotef ono asiye no ogina mu ka se players ahodo mbepie mu nyina.
And most importantly, message to the organizers that no Badwam. That one could I want to see a better reach in the way.
Internet and APM wo eye awutu bodwase eno no na hye no soma me se medizusia na madawase ama mo anything ne mo hyɛ no so am say game park games e de chata so kwa ba na eagerly anticipated pick one game no about with the bank but more than that so do we to gym na mesno select from 1 to 36 na we to select we to twa 1 Ghana cedis 2 Ghana cedis and copem 350 Ghana cedis win 26 times we stake how we to dey apem so no amazing pick one game and e din one dance dey ama no obetin so that star 946 hash star 946 hash all networks na odo ho agye obetin akọ www.gameparkgames.com na for ne pen for etin sa twenkom Adom TV so anopa awia na afen so anwumere no nsia ye de draw no etin sa but daily basis and as an share so ko etin sa to fam game park games o se more power regulated by the National Lottery Authority and omo edisa chacha ya ba amafo di omo dum ho gym na dia omo di no nyasem kuma kra afen so kra no hye no so ma biu se eye dwumaku a wọ́n so etechiri boa medicine shares on kwetien sabre no African Games etechiri na African Football League no san shares on kwia de $14.4 million dollars and that so artist rebedi nkunim no na ese opeja e de akofie El Ali TP Mazembe Esperance Yimba Sundowns and with that AC Omina Jinema, then gradually you cruise to the finals. Bibia between dia on the 11th of November and a final between Sambasto Adom TV and I feel Sempa 94.7 FM and I feel so Kwano Adom 106.3 FM and the Krabatina at the live commentary between Santo Sabrel and was said to me so Richoku medical catcher that say Osta 2 dinner Mananya Richoku no and show the boy Osta 2 dinner rights in a Ghanaian way. Richoku ejana too much bomodiada so betia bobi odin so hye boy odin so nyun so boa bibia wum a chese unya milk esichire bibia wum deda betia boa ema nyama etia tutu yi de ama kwan a ofa so de ahye odanase within the prof equals a good catch back open them of course evidence based sports presentation bro so also pay health tips and so betia sa baba sister Sandy be a guy okru chain 7 bibri na e de gu krata so na fini aka no so e beba fidie so ama so atua bo ni akoma hwese ne ma esi ekoso enura ohwese na eye Ballon d'Or ne si koe na ese Nigeria for artists ne kugina mu unhu Ghana artists da but omo krum ha ene pa the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.